Well, good Wednesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough good hump day. But I'm here to tell you over here in East Central Mississippi, show enough nice to be outside. We're probably in the middle 70s right now. Got a little breeze going too. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is nice day outside. Let's get to planting some fall crops in the Hugel raised bed. Give me a second. That's what we finna do. Dan, what you gonna start planting for a fall crop and the fall garden? Well, let me show you. I got a hold of some really nice curly kale starts from a local vendor. I'm also going to give these guys a shot right here. These are radishes, and this is the black Spanish variety. Pretty cool thing about these radishes is they are cold tolerant, so they're perfect for a fall harvest and just to put up for the winter time. So they're really cold tolerant. I really like radishes, so we're going to give those a try. This is just going to be the start to us, or me, planting out the fall garden. I'm gonna take you along with me. In this Hugel bed, I'm gonna go on and fertilize these curly kale with some Osmocote. I've had really good luck with this Osmocote. It's a time release pellet type fertilizer. Because of course kale is heavy feeder, so they like anything high in the NPK range. So yeah, I'm gonna use the Osmocote. I'm gonna dig out a few holes, and I'm not really worried about spacing. I don't mind if they're all bunched together because yeah, I'm good with that. Just gonna give a little shake of some Osmocote in that hole, not a whole lot. Gonna cover up that fertilizer with a little bit of soil. I'm gonna get to planting this kale out. Got some nice roots, nothing root bound. I'm gonna stick it in the hole. We're going to contain the depth, and I may try to utilize all this bed space that I possibly can. And you could also, if you really wanted to, you could actually broadcast a little bit of this Osmocote over the whole bed and just turn it under. You can also do that too. So I think this is going to work out pretty nice. That's basically what I'm doing right there. I'm putting in a little Osmocote, taking a little bit of soil, covering it up so the roots don't come into direct contact with it. Just plug in and start. So I'm going to get these guys planted in, and I'll turn this camera back on once I get finished with the kale, and we'll move on with the radish. So give me a second. All right, we got some kale planted out in the Hugel bed. That's approximately 3, 6, 7 kale plants. I'm sure these guys are going to get real tall and bushy. They're bunched in real good, but that's okay. I like to plant stuff close together. What I did over here is, you probably can't see it, well maybe you can. I made out 3 little furrows that we're going to plant these radishes in. Pretty interested to see how these things grow and what they look like. They're supposed to have a blackish type skin. Here's our seeds. All I'm going to do is just drop a couple of seeds in each furrow, and I will thin them out as time goes on. I'm just going to cover that furrow up. Might have to put some plant markers out here just to remind me where they at. But hopefully they'll germinate and come up, and we won't have to worry about that. Let's get this other row seeded up. All right, we're gonna call that done. Get these guys a little drink of water, and then we're gonna let Mother Nature do the rest. Hopefully she'll be good to us here for the fall garden. Well, there you have it. Finally had a chance to get out here and get something put in the Hugel bed for the fall garden and the fall crop. I'm thinking it's going to do good, but only time will tell. Its soil mixture is real nice, so I'm thinking that it's going to grow, but we'll see. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Wednesday, and I hope everybody's being safe amid this crisis we still have going on. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. that being said, you know what's coming. Dan Referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You showing off, get your shine on, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.